Magandang araw mga kasosyo at kanegosyo. So, nandito po ako para balitaan kayo sa nangyari sa ating Annual Regular General Assembly Meeting. So, ginanap po ito last month, August 10, sa ating um, headquarters sa Rosario, Agusan del Sur. So, after po ito ng ating anniversary event last month. So nagkaroon po tayo ng election ng Board of Directors for this year and na-elect po on a landslide victory si Sir Vince bilang ating chairperson. So Mr. Mariel Vincent Rapisura. And also for vice chairperson, na-re-elect po ang ating CEO, Miss Emilyn Kate Sakdalan Patenya. So they will join yung ating mga board of director last year na si Res Ofalias at si Elisil Clodel. And also, na-elect po bilang bagong member ng board si Miss Rhea May de la Peña. Okay. Para naman po sa ating officers for this year, ako po, Annalyn Bontilao bilang General Manager. So ang ating pong secretary si Miss Diana Lumbao. Ang ating pong magiting na treasurer ay si Sir Wilbert Icamina, si Ma'am Irma de la Cruz for our bookkeeper, at ang ating Sigasig awardee na si Sir Dison Regondola para sa ating collector position. Sila naman po ang mga heads ng ating mga committees for this year. For audit, we have Sir Lito Anzano. For credit, we have Ma'am Elisil Clodel. And syempre, we value equality. So, meron tayong gender and development. At yan po si Sir Vince. Then, for mediation and conciliation, we have Joe Saldivia. For ethics committee, we have Kuya Res Ofalias. For education and training, kasama po natin si Miss Emilyn Kate Sakdalan Patenyo. And ako po, heading the election committee. So ano naman yung mga highlights natin for 2023? So we have total assets of 80 million and membership of 2,191. So sa mga members po na ito, 129 ang regular members and 2,000 ang associate members. So ano nga ba yung qualifications para maging members ng ating SEDP Co-op? So you should be a natural person, Filipino citizen, of legal age and with capacity to contract. So dapat po meron tayong common bond and field na nade-define sa ating SEDP community. So two types po yung membership natin, ano? Kung kayo po ay employee ng SEDP or SEDP Development Finance, kayo po ay isang regular member. Pero kung kayo naman ay member ng SEDP Foundation, or kayo po ay ating mga social investors and financial literacy advocates, kayo po ay napapabilang sa associate membership. So yung mga regular member po natin, meron po silang right to vote. So yung mga products and services po natin, meron tayong joint venture savings, joint venture savings basket, mga Finlit trainings, and also joint venture capital. So for this year po, for 2023 po, we have unqualified audit opinion for 2023 mula sa ating audit committee. So monthly din po sila nagko-conduct ng internal audit. Para naman po sa Education and Training Committee, so dyan po sila ang nagre-report ng ating mga online PMES or yung pre-membership education seminar. So sa mga kasosyo natin, kung natatandaan ninyo, ito yung una ninyong ginawa para maging member ng SEDP Co-op. So sa mga interested pong mag-member, message lang po kayo and our MRO or Member Relations Officer will inform you of the steps kung paano po maging miyembro or maging kasosyo. Okay. So, for the credit committee, meron po tayong monthly operations report dyan. And for the election committee, so last 2023 po, si Sir Edwin Salonga, si Kuya Res, and Miss Elisil won the re-election. So, ngayon 2024, meron po tayong 2 board seats na papalitan. So, kaya po na halal natin bilang chairperson si Sir Vince and then si Miss Rhea May de la Peña naman bilang new board of director. Then si Miss Emilyn Kate Sacdalan Pateño, na-re-elect po siya for chairperson, vice chairperson. So, for the Mediation and Conciliation Committee, as of June 30, 2024, wala naman po tayong any untoward reports for that. So, ito naman po ang ating audited financial statements. Meron po tayong total assets of 80 million and total liabilities of 72.5 million. So, dahil po dyan, ang net surplus po natin would be 20,955 pesos. So ano naman yung mga plano natin for this year, no? More than half year na po tayo. So nasa last quarter na tayo of the year. So our target is to have 3,000 members. So around 800 members na lang for us to reach the target. And then financial literacy trainings to 1,000 and also mobilize funds or total joint venture savings of 475 million. So, ayan po mga kasosyo and kanegosyo. So, muli ako po si Annalyn kasama ang ating financial guru si Sir Vince na nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.